Many suppliers said, impossible, but we did it!
Hi everyone, can you picture a hole smaller than a needle tip?
Many suppliers said, impossible at first glance, but at Tirapid, we took the challenge and nailed it. This wasn't just precision machining, this was microsurgery in manual.
This isn't something your average machine shop can pull off. The client had already tried several suppliers. Some couldn't hit the tolerance, others didn't have the right equipment. Then they came to us, and in just 2 hours, we delivered a prototype that blew them away. So how do we make it happen? We ran the part on a high-precision CNC micro machining center, using a custom 0.3mm drill and dynamic coolant control to keep heat and wear in check. To ensure verticality and hole alignment, we use a 20:1 Micron optical system for real-time precisioning, and every hole fully inspected with CMM down to the micron. No shortcuts, no second chances, just pure process control. Projects that others walk away from, we see as opportunities to push the limit of precision and prove what's possible. If you are facing a complex machining challenge, feel free to reach out anytime. At Tirapid, we don't just cut metal, we help engineers bring bold ideas to life. We offer free design feedback, fast code, and flexible support built around your goals.
I'm Kaya, and we are here when you need us. Let's build something incredible together.